So I'm going to you're here in a tutorial in Minecraft lag. I know it's lag. Hello my old friend. This is a librarian, a merchant, and a weapon or blacksmith, armor smith, or anything. So this is a tutorial or first view of villager trading in MCPE. Okay? Let's trade with this guy. What did he want? Rotten flesh. I'm going to get 2. I only need 1. Okay. It should. Oh my god. It's you. Why? I press you. Coal? Okay. Oh, before I forget, guys, these things with the hotbar are the most common thing to trade with villagers. Okay, let's try it. They bubbled. Okay. Oh, he's a toolsmith. Let's trade it with his iron pickaxe with. Oh, good trade. Then this unbreaking. Good. Going. Yeah. Let's see. Diamonds. Diamond pickaxe. Fortune 1. That's all you're gonna give me. Oh, let's see again. Nothing. This is so cruel, but yeah. Okay, let's do it with you. I give him that. Going to give him this. What's next? Redstone. Oh, very handy. Okay, let's see again. Glowstone. That's very rare to happen. And ender pearls, which is common. Then let's see. Oh, before I forget, guys, if you trade it with the villagers, you'll get experience. Oh, potion bottles. I get many of those. Maybe that's all. Try it. Ooh! Okay. It's super laggy. That's not a rock. It's a villager swimming. And the librarian. It's a paper. Okay. Oh. Mix. Oh, I don't have enough. Let's try it. Going to get more and more emeralds. That clay, but emeralds. 5 of you are going. Okay, let's do it. There. Lack of the sea. Lack of the sea. I guess it won't change. That's sadness. Okay. Oh. Very common, but future going to offer us anything? You see those bubbles? It means that they're happy, and common thing is they're going to give you another trade like this: a clock, a glass, then dot, and these two. Let's see. Oh, I hate it. Going to get so many emeralds. I am sorry. Okay, let's try it. Just lack of the sea one, and that's boredom. Did you see this video? It's a tutorial too. Okay. Well then, that's all for this video. Okay. So this is goodbye. Oh. Hey, swim. Want to swim with you. And drown. Bye 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 bye.